Well, good morning, friends. See that behind me? It's the Wind Point Lighthouse. Let's walk around here and look at this gorgeous, beautiful property. Not just the lighthouse, but you'll see what I mean. Well, good morning, Rodana. Nice to see you. So this has been here for a while. I've done this over the summer as well, when all the flower gardens are blooming. It's December in Wisconsin, so, you know, we're not going to have any flower gardens blooming today. But it's still a gorgeous... beautiful property on the open water, even without the flower gardens in December in Wisconsin. Hi, Ruby. But if you want to find the older videos I've done of this gorgeous property in the summertime when everything is blooming, you can find that on my YouTube channel. One of many things that is so cool about this property is they've kept all of the original buildings from, gosh, like 1880 or whenever this was built. I know it was somewhere in the 1800s, but I mean, here's the foghorn house, and there's the oil house, or the burned oil, and I guess there was two foghorn houses. So here's the newer one. It's probably over 100 years old, and the original one from the year 1880. It's incredible. They've kept all this stuff intact. So not just the lighthouse, it's everything. Also the caretaker house, everything is still here. And it's so beautiful. Hi, Brandy. Good morning. And I love the sound of the water. The open water. And it's sunny and beautiful. I thought this would be a cool video today with the sun being out the way that it is. And in the summertime, these flower gardens are so beautiful. And if you want to see older videos I've made during the summertime when these are in full bloom, you can find them on my YouTube channel. Well, I hope you've enjoyed that. I hope you guys do something fun and memorable today. And I've got tons of videos like this on my website, tomberkenmeyer.com, just like it's spelled here on my social media, tomberkenmeyer.com. So browse around and pick out stuff. I've got about 3,000 videos and hundreds of blogs about all kinds of things. Feel free to share this and drop your comments below of some other things you'd like to see me post videos about and blogs about. I'd love to hear your feedback. Mwah.